So I'm talking in very spiritual terms, but I'm talking about something very practical, very down to earth. You just are getting too upset. Now, some of you on the outside, you hide it. You hide it. You look calm, but underneath, you're upset. See what I mean? So, do I have to go on and on about this? No. I've described your situation. So now you must come back to reason. Come back to intuition. Come back to calmness. Your kids need you to be calm, don't they? And so does your spouse, and so does everybody else. See, everybody's out of control. So don't resent them anymore. Now you know. You hated your parents for whatever reason. Now that you're an adult, you can see they couldn't help themselves any more than you can help yourself. And no one was there to offer them proper guidance. They didn't have this little meditation to try. Now, part of you may not want to do the meditation. Part of you doesn't want to. Part of you wants you to continue the way you're going. And you yourself, maybe, kind of want to keep going the way you're going because you want to get something out of it, see? You want to get the reward, you want to get the promotion, you want to get people to like you and more money, and you want to get the bigger house and cars and a nicer car. And you want to try to get it yourself. But it's not out in the world. Christ said, seek first the kingdom of God, and then all other things will be added unto you.